Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure the battery is over 50% and back up important data so you don't lose anything. Once done, confirm you know your Huawei ID and the current PIN or fingerprint access. Now open Settings, go straight to Security and Privacy, then choose Screen Lock or Biometrics. If the device accepts your PIN or fingerprint, proceed to change or remove the lock. This step prevents accidental data loss and gets you into the exact menu to modify restrictions. If you can unlock the phone, enter your current PIN or password and choose Remove or Change Lock Type. Select None or swipe to disable the home screen lock and confirm when prompted. Once disabled, make sure biometric options are off if you want no lock at all. If you're locked out and can't authenticate, sign into cloud. Huawei. Find My Phone from a browser to attempt remote unlock. If Find My Phone fails, prepare for a recovery mode factory reset as the alternative. Keep reading for that process. When remote unlock isn't possible, power off the device and boot into recovery by holding volume up and power until the logo appears. Navigate with volume keys to wipe data/factory reset and confirm with power. After the reset completes and the phone reboots, sign in with your Huawei ID and restore your cloud or local backup to recover apps and settings. If you still experience activation lock or unexpected errors, contact Huawei support or visit an authorized service center for account verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.